Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade right here on HFM. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple. Click here on home where you will find right here open demo account. So now we click on open demo account and then from here we select demo premium. Then select right here MT5, select the currency that you want to use. You can change the leverage, so 1 to 30 is fine. Select right here the balance. And now create a password for this account. Then we click here on this checkbox and now we do open account. And then what you need to do right now is go to your email address, because right there in your email address, they sent us the information that we need right here for MetaTrader 5 for the web app. So this is the web app right here. And now we need to fill in our password. So we will do this real quick. Then we do continue account. And if you want to create ourselves a position, a buy position or sell position, we go here to symbol and search for what we want to trade. So let's do from here Forex, and then we want euro to US dollar. That is fine. Click here on the cross and now we click on new order. Then fill in right here how much volume you want to buy. So let's do something like this for 5K. We can add a stop loss or a take profit on it if you want to do that. But right now, if you click here on buy by market or sell by market, we create ourselves a position right here on the chart. So let's do buy by market. He's accepted. Now it's done. And if you scroll down, you see that we are having right here a position on the market. So if you now want to close your position, you click right here on the cross, click on I accept, and now when we do this again, right here, we closed our trade. So this is how you can demo trade right here on HFM markets. So that is how you can demo trade on HFM. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.